Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Thursday, November 7th at 6:38 a.m. in the morning. I've got my hibiscus tea this morning, and we are drawing out of How to Draw Woodland Animals in Simple Steps by Susie Hodge. This is my channel. Welcome today. This is Relearning to Draw After 55. So today's a gray wolf, and after drawing the outline, I erased on the head, and evidently I got something underneath of my eraser tip, and it left a mark that wouldn't erase off. So I was really working on it right there, and I see that dark line, and I was like, well, it won't come off. So I erased, nothing. And then I was like, well, I'm gonna start over. But then I thought, let's use this as a learning lesson that you can incorporate mistakes into your art. I just kept on going, and it turned out pretty good. I'm glad I didn't stop, or else it would have been different, and maybe not as good, maybe better if I had started over. But I'd already put some time into it, and I didn't want to get rid of all that time I did. So as I'm drawing here through the face, I don't think I ever quite got the jawline the way I wanted it, but it still turned out fairly good. And again, once you start shading in, it really does help, because just the outline of the drawing to me looks just horrific. But then after you start putting the fur on and adjust some things here and there, it starts to form itself. And once you get one part good, then that kind of gives, once I get a part good, it gives me more motivation to move on to the next part. So I decided, probably about right here, I was thinking about, what am I going to do with that line? I was like, I could just do a simple little tree, and there it goes, and the line is gone. So don't give up if you make a mistake. Just build it into your drawing, unless it's just too bad. I guess you spilled a whole bottle of ink on your paper. But don't give up. So I encourage you to get into a hobby and do some work. I hope you have a great day. Here's the finished product.